10/22/2020. You heard me, Amazon.com. Now, one thing about Amazon, it got above the 50-day moving average over here. It took forever, but once it did, it broke to the high, and then we called the top. It tested the 10-day moving average here, broke below it, got below the 50-day. That's an alarm that I have set there. I can reset it. You can see here very clearly what it looks like. And so, therefore, what we'll end up doing with Amazon is when it hits a certain level of that oversold condition, and we're going into earnings season, it has a daily sell signal minus 9.91 on the MACD. And once again, the fast stochastic is only at 25.3. If we get down there low enough, then Amazon will definitely set up for a bounce. It's at risk right now, but we are setting up on that percent D and percent K right here. So that's definitely coming there. And I can see the numbers here. Now, let's look at Amazon on the weekly chart because Amazon's got big trades. That's why we'll develop the relationship with you. Here is the 20-week moving average, 30.98. Slightly, okay, Amazon is holding for dear life on the 10-week moving average at 3,200 right there. And it went below it. Oh, yes, it did. And it did today. So once it broke it, sellers moved in and pushed it down. It's got a weekly sell signal, okay? And the weekly sell signal started over here some weeks back, and now it's increasing. So when we look at Amazon, now Amazon will blow out the earnings, and it'll trade a certain way. This is sitting on dear support right there for Amazon on that monthly, October monthly bar. And notice that the highs are a lot lower because they are and whatnot. Let's go back to the daily on Amazon. Amazon can pay a lot of money as it does in the option pit. We do it every single day of the week. And you really got to know what you're doing. Take that 5-day trial to see how we do it with this one. Oh, yeah. You talk about lots of money to be made. Now, when Amazon gaps up and goes into the wall of resistance, there's the 50-day. That's going to be right up there. And when Amazon goes up and hits it, that's going to be resistance. And so we would be sellers there and buying put options at resistance. So, we've been buying put options on it and making lots of money intraday, and then we buy calls off of the bottom when it goes up. This is what we would love to show you, and the volatility is going to get bigger. Oh, yeah. And this one, either Amazon goes down lower into the earnings and then pops $100, or Amazon gets support and then trades up going into earnings next week, and we would sell into the and take the big move higher going in. But we do know that 3,300 is the break of the 10-day moving average right there and the 50-day. So from an intraday level, we'll trade it accordingly, and we'll go which way the price action is. Go ahead and join us. Develop that relationship. It'll be one you'll never forget.